All right, we're here in Riverton, New Jersey. This is the current space we're going to be working on, which is insulating these exterior walls. And these old homes do not have insulation, and most of them are balloon construction framing. So we're going to be knocking these out and putting insulation in, as well as covering up these old damaged plaster and lath walls. A lot of the foundational cracks in them, and we're going to make sure they're fixed and make it look nice and pretty. So you just saw room 1, which is going to be a baby nursery. So the definite need for insulation is imperative there, as well as this room. This is considered the master bedroom. These 2 exterior walls will be knocked out, insulated, and we will be putting up drywall again and making sure the energy efficiency is at an acceptable level in this room.
We also did full replacement of the flooring, got the carpet up. They got distressed bamboo. Honey is the actual engineered hardwood, and it looks awesome. Check out the timeline. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, that was the gist of everything we did. The only thing you didn't see in this footage was the drywall work. When we were working in there, the dust was crazy. We could not get the footage to actually look right. It just was blurry. But that's the exterior wall. We knocked down, insulated, re-drywalled, and we re-laminated with drywall all the old cracking plaster and lath. That's the closet build out that was not there. There was a very shallow closet. Couldn't even be functioned in that space because it was so shallow. This is the distressed hardwood flooring, engineered hardwood, bamboo, distressed honey it's called. It looks awesome, very nice beveled edges on it. We kept all original doors and window casings. This house was built in the late 1800s. We wanted to keep as much of the original stuff in there as possible. We did replace the baseboards in this room. The old baseboards were not salvageable and they were fused to the plaster and lath. And like I said, we laminated over all that cracked plaster and lath. And it had electricity running through the baseboard, which needed to be addressed, and we took care of that as well as adding all the light fixtures. You can actually see through the primer where we repaired the plaster cracks on this wall. They actually did not want the chair rail back in this room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a good time. It was a lot of work on this project, but it turned out awesome. My name is Michael. This is Colonial Concepts and Design.